everyone. Thank you for coming to Frank and Lauren's wedding. They look great, don't they? Hi, Bubba.
Hi.
You look beautiful.
You look so handsome.
I can't believe this day is finally here. There are so many things I want to say to you, yet all those things are so hard to put into words. Wow, this is actually going to be really hard. I've wanted this for so long, and now that it's here, I can hardly believe it. It somehow feels like yesterday that our friends were introducing us, and also we've already spent a lifetime together. I'm so grateful to be with you every day. The entire time we've been together, I've been able to see our entire future every time I look into your eyes. And I can't wait to make that future reality. And so, in front of God and our families, I vow to never lie to you, never betray you. I vow to always consider your feelings first, to always share what I'm thinking and feeling, to be a dutiful husband and father, and to love you with all my heart for the rest of our days.
I vow to love you every day in the way that you have shown me how to love, with full support and sacrifice, without judgment, with patience and understanding, laughing with you at the little things and holding your hand tightly through the big ones. I vow to know you, to be a witness to your life and a keeper of your story, to remember all the details about you in a way that no one else can, and to always hold you close to me. Even what you consider flaws, I will know them and love them all the same. I vow that in me, you will have a partner in every sense of the word. Even in your darkest hours, you will never feel alone. And I vow to find you in everyone.
Ever since Lauren was born, from the minute I looked at her, I thought there is never going to be anybody that loves her as much as me. So Frank, what I wanted to tell you was, you're the lucky one that she chose to be with forever, but that's not really what I want to tell you. She is equally as lucky because you are just as amazing a person as she is, and she is just as lucky to have you.
Growing up, I always looked up to Frank, not just because he was better looking, faster, and better at just about everything, but because he was someone I genuinely admired. Frank and I had always been very close growing up, and we always had each other's backs. Watching him chase his dreams and achieve his goals has been very inspiring. Whether it was school, work, or life in general, he's never backed down from a challenge, and that's something I'll always be proud of. And now seeing him here today with Lauren, starting this new chapter, I know this is just the beginning of greater things. Seeing him today with someone as incredible as Lauren, I can honestly say I've never seen him happier. The way he looks at her and the way they balance each other is everything love is supposed to be. Lauren, you've become such a special part of our lives and become more than just Frank's partner, but family. And I'm very proud of that. So let's raise a glass to laughter, love, and a brother I'll always be proud of.
I give you this ring as a token of my love and a symbol of our marriage.
I give you this ring as a token of my love and a symbol of our marriage.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.